In this video, I'll show you what to do in case your soundbar has problem receiving sound using an HDMI cable. So I'll show you a few different solutions. Hopefully one of them will work for you. So the first thing before even starting, make sure that the cables are connected properly to the soundbar and to the back of the TV. You need to make sure you push all the way in. I know it's something simple, but it takes only 30 seconds to check this. So go ahead, connect it, and then make sure you push all the way in. Next step involves you having to go through your TV menus to check a few settings. Now, depending on your TV, what I'll show you next may be slightly different. So over here, I'll go into the settings, then go into the audio settings or sound menu. Make sure that under audio output, you have selected ARC or HDMI ARC. It's better to select that option than to rely on the automatic option of your TV. So make sure this is right. And now on certain TVs, this one does not have it, but I'll put some screenshots for you to see. You need to make sure that HDMI CEC is enabled. On some other TVs, you need to go into the settings, and then under general, there should be an option saying external device manager, and then you'll have access to the CEC options. And again, make sure that this is turned on. Another thing that you can check is by going to the audio settings of your TV. Sometimes it will say digital audio out or digital out or audio out. Make sure that you select PCM. If you're still having problems, I'll show you how to do a full reboot. A reboot will not delete anything from your TV. It's not a reset. This happens sometimes if your TV is confused where to output the sound. So first of all, let's turn off the TV. Step number 1. Then go on the back and disconnect everything that is connected in the HDMI ports. Here I only have this one. This is my soundbar, so I'll disconnect it. But if you had other devices here, an Xbox, a cable box, anything, disconnect. Then you're gonna go to the power outlet where your TV is connected. Let's say this is my TV, and you're gonna unplug it. Okay, during the next 5 minutes, don't touch this cable. At the same time, what you can do is to find the power button located often under your TV. Okay, and you're gonna press it during 30 seconds. Then release the button, and after 5 minutes, connect the TV to the wall socket, to the power. Now, do not connect all the devices to the HDMI ports. Start using the HDMI cable that is for your soundbar or your home theater. Go ahead and connect it. Make sure it's connected in the HDMI port saying ARC. Mine is HDMI 3, but maybe yours is 2 or 1, or even the 4th one. Make sure it's all the way in. Do not connect anything yet. Now it's time to test your soundbar or, again, your home theater and see if the HDMI is working, outputting sound. Do not forget to turn on your soundbar. Sometimes it's hard to know if it's turned on or off. So turn it on, put it in ARC mode. Again, depending on which model you have, you may have an ARC or HDMI over here, or some soundbars you're able to select the input on them between HDMI, optical, and other inputs. Over here, I simply need to click on ARC button. And hopefully after doing these things, the sound will be back. If you have any other solutions on how to fix this problem, please let me know. I'll be really curious. Type a comment down below. If not, like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.